Today's adventure brings us to the town that Disney built, Celebration, Florida, as we overlook Lake Rianhard and the Celebration Sunday Farmers Market. I've always wanted to come to Celebration. I see the signs every time that we would go to Disney World. And then one of my favorite YouTube vloggers, the Daily Woo, vlogged here daily for many years. And just with that inspiration, it's finally time to make it a point to stop by. So why don't you follow us along? This is where the fun begins. We're not very punctual today, so we did get here about 20 minutes before the close of the farmers market. But being so far from home and not necessarily buying green bananas at this point, it is nice to find some fresh local fruit to take home to savor for the rest of our time here. Just for point of reference, the pineapples are $6 each, sweet oranges 99 cents, sweet honey belt oranges $1.25, red oranges 99, navels 5 for $4 or 99 cents each. And this is what oranges actually look like before they're all doctored up for use at the grocery store. So don't fret, you don't eat the peel anyways. They close down the street starting 10 p.m. Saturday night so that they can open up Sunday morning 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Certainly a beehive of activity, as there's quite a few people and visitors filling up the visitor parking lots.
They're pretty soft.
These are giant avocados. Usually you get 4 tiny ones that are that size, or it takes to make up that weight. Strawberry onions. Holy jeez, it's like Honey, We Shrunk the Kids. Honey, We Shrunk the Parkers. They actually have guava, $3.99 a pound. I don't know that I've actually seen guava before. There's a little honeybee in there. I've had guava nectar many times, but never seen the fruit before. If we had a cooler, we could pick up some seafood. They've got smoked salmon, shrimp, corvina, alligator tail, frog legs, conch, halibut. She's slicing into that fresh fish right there. You want to get some alligator tail? I bet it tastes like chicken. It's 2J Seafood. We'll have to follow them on Facebook. There's also homemade peanut butter. There's others selling art. Here we've got free-range eggs and different pickle, preserves, jellies. Look at all of the light coming off of all of the decorations here. There's other beekeepers. Fresh guacamole. I think this is the main street that they, in winter time, they have a ice rink out here, and then they'll blow snow all over. Not really ice, but plastic that you can skate on. Emlyn found the Bow Boutique. Shiny flashing things, anything bedazzled. This place is called the House of Jerks. It's literally calling my name.
Hey guys, how we doing? Excellent.
Good, how are you? I like your name.
Appreciate you. Let's try to have fun.
Ended up picking up some teriyaki beef jerky. He gave us samples and we were sold right away. Super good. Some Disney art. Got some Disney. Well, this is all celebration. This is pretty neat. This is approximately where we're standing now. The water fountain is just right over there.
Oh, okay, over there, Dad. Dad, it's your favorite shop. Right there.
And we've got a coffee shop down on the end. Black Brews Brothers Coffee. Gonna give this whole bean a try. Alright, got myself some whole bean to try. I've seen those guys on the Adam the Woo Daily Woo vlogs when he would come to the farmer's market. So, thought I'd give it a shot. Sure, it'll be good. And with that, the shops are starting to tear down. We're 2:05, and won't be long before they take the stanchions down and reopen the street. Is it Main Street? It is Front Street. Alright, makes sense. It's in front of the main shops of Celebration. So now that we're done with the farmer's market, I think we're going to just walk around and see more of what Celebration has to offer. This is the Celebration fountain. When it goes off or turns off, it's got a compass and mile markers of different things. So end facing north, it's got how many miles it is to Disney World. Miami on the south, and just other areas of interest. Across the street from the fountain is the old Celebration Theater that was a movie theater maybe like 20 years ago. With the spires are a landmark for many. I think it's been turned into, or will be turning into, something else, but it's been sitting vacant for a good part of the last 20 years. They have Celebration posters. But as far as the movie theater goes, this is where you used to get your tickets. It's all boarded off. They've got drywall work that they're doing in there. And they've got something going on. There's Theater 1 to the left. And Theater 2 to the right. On one of Adam's vlogs, it did show them taking all of the seats out in the theater. So we'll have to check in to see what's actually going in. And Mary sniffed out the Macaron shop and French pastries.
I think I want some.
All right. Wow. They've got the Sicilian pistachio.
I know, I want to get that one.
We're not going to get out of here alive. This is going to cost more than Disney World did.
Stop.
A gift box of 36. Do they take a pass holder discount? They certainly have a lot of different flavors. Raspberry, strawberry, key lime.
I'll do a regular vanilla.
What I'm most excited to try is the Sicilian pistachio in the back. We've got little Eiffel Towers. Peanut butter cigars. Ooh, dark hazelnuts. It's the Bank of America, but a pretty cool structure with wraparound stairwell going to the top. One of the unique architectural designs here in town. This is the Market Street clock. You gotta wait for the girl to move. So you can wait up to 59 seconds if you haven't seen it move. The girl on a bike on the minute hand, followed by a little dog on the hour hand. There it is. They actually have a newspaper box. The Celebration News. That's got some kick to it. 30th celebration, February 2026. Going back down Market Street, they have the logo of the little girl on the bike. Just like on the clock. The rest of the vendors breaking down from the market. And the road's starting to open. Back up to traffic. Now for a little stroll around Lake Rianhard. Got a walking path that goes around the lake. Another look at the fountain splash pad. Boston, 1,116 miles. I couldn't make out the other ones. But right now we're on the lookout for Cool the alligator. Lake Rianhard has some fake ducks. Fake ducks. But we're still on the hunt for Cool the gator. Beautiful day for a walk around Lake Rianhard. It is right now. Not that you can see that, but it's 71 degrees. Not a cloud in the sky. And please do not feed the wildlife.
What's that? Bird. That's a bird? Got a really pointy beak. That's a water.
Birds doing bird things in a little lagoon off the overflow. Hitchcock would be proud. Wonder how far it is around this lake. Good half mile maybe. They have a bike rental where you can rent a bike. There's a 1 to 7 mile scenic nature trail down through the bush there. But yeah, a bunch of bikes with helmets to take out. It's the Celebration Hotel, a little alcove on the side. Got their EV charging. And it seems as if many of the rooms on the back face the Lake Rianhard. So they're still working on fixing this pylon. Apparently a car went over and into the lake, unfortunately with a not so nice result for the driver. Well, that's gonna about do it for our walkabout around Celebration. We're gonna hit up Starbucks for coffee. And I'd like to hit up the Art Deco 7-Eleven. So just a few of the things that I've seen featured in others' vlogs from Celebration that I'd like to see in person, which is kind of the theme of today's vlog. Last stop is to get a Starbucks order. Placed our mobile order. Right next door is the Avocado Mexican Grill. If we were going to hang around a little bit longer. Looks interesting. Celebration Starbucks. Piping hot caffeinated beverage achieved. And for posterity, we stopped by to pay tribute to Adam for all the great memories. Last stop on today's celebration tour is the Art Deco 7-Eleven. Art Deco is kind of, I don't know what we think the styling is called, but it's really just a 7-Eleven. I'm going to get a coffee from here too because A, why not, and B, I think Starbucks forgot to put in the espresso. So we're going to take a look to see what we've got to work with. They've got the exclusive blend, French vanilla, crisp blueberry, or Colombian. I think we're going to go with the Colombian, although it looks like it's out. Well, that's going to do it for us today. Thanks for following along as we toured Celebration. We'll see you in the next one.